Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down the technical analysis of CRWV, a Nasdaq-listed stock, using the latest data up to June 3, 2025. We'll cover the trend, price volume dynamics, moving averages, technical indicators, linear regression, opening price forecast, support and resistance levels, ATR-based ranges, potential scenarios, and our final thoughts. Let's dive in. General overview and trend. CRWV has been on a roller coaster ride in 2025, showing extreme volatility. From a low of $33.52 on April 21 to a staggering high of $150.88 on June 3, the stock has surged dramatically. The latest close on June 3 was $150.48, reflecting a strong bullish trend. The short-term trend is aggressively bullish, but the rapid climb raises questions about sustainability, especially after a 25% jump in a single session. Price and volume relationship. Price and volume dynamics for CRWV are intense. Volume spiked to 53.92 million shares on June 3, aligning with the $150.48 close, indicating strong buying pressure. Earlier peaks, like 61.68 million shares on May 21 and 42.98 million on May 16, coincided with major price surges. The high volume on June 3 confirms conviction in the uptrend, but the magnitude suggests potential exhaustion risks. Moving averages. Let's check the moving averages. The 5-day SMA is $120.74, and the 5-day EMA is $125.31. Both significantly below the $150.48 close, signaling strong short-term bullish momentum. The 10-day SMA, $112.82, and 20-day SMA, $88.22, are also trailing, with the 20-day EMA at $95.15, showing CRWV has outpaced its longer-term averages. The 50-day EMA, $76.43, underscores the stock's explosive breakout. The 5-day EMA being well above the 5-day SMA is a bullish signal, but the gap suggests potential overextension. Technical indicators. Now the technical indicators. The 14-day RSI is at 79.07, firmly in overbought territory, signaling caution for new entries. Williams percent are at -0.45, confirms extreme bullishness, close to its upper limit. The MFI at 75.51 shows robust money flow, but is nearing overbought levels. The MACD is at 20.40, with a signal line of 15.64 and a histogram of 4.76, indicating strong bullish momentum, though the histogram size suggests a potential slowdown. The ADX at 56.07 confirms a very strong trend. For volatility, CRWV's price is well above the Bollinger Band's middle line, $88.22, and upper band, $144.49, reflecting a breakout. The PSER at $104.90 is far below, acting as support. The OBV at 327.81 million shows consistent buying interest. Linear regression analysis. The 14-day time series forecast, TSF, is $139.47, below the current $150.48, suggesting the stock is slightly ahead of its linear trend. The linear regression slope is steeply positive, reflecting the aggressive uptrend, but the gap from the TSF indicates potential for a pullback or consolidation to realign with the trend. Opening price forecast for June 4, 2025, based on the $150.48 close, 5-day EMA, $125.31, and high volume, we expect CRWV to open between $148.50 and $152. The momentum and volume suggest a strong opening, but overbought indicators could cap gains unless new catalysts emerge. Support and resistance analysis. Key support levels for CRWV are at $120.74, 5-day SMA, $112.82, 10-day SMA, and $104.90, PSER. Resistance is less defined due to the recent breakout, but psychological levels at $150 and $160 are immediate hurdles, with $144.49, Bollinger Band upper, as a near-term cap. Intraday, Expect CRWV to trade between $120.74 and $160 unless volume surges again. A drop below $120.74 could signal a deeper correction. ATR-based high and low values. The 14-day ATR is 12.71, reflecting CRWV's high volatility. From the $150.48 close, we project a high of $163.19 and a low of $137.77 for the next session. This wide range underscores the stock's unpredictable swings, with potential for significant moves in either direction. Possible scenarios. Here are 3 scenarios. Bullish scenario. If CRWV holds above $150 with sustained volume, it could target $160 to $170, driven by momentum and FOMO buying. Bearish scenario. A break below $120.74 could trigger a correction to $112.82 or $104.90, especially if overbought conditions lead to profit-taking. Neutral scenario. Most likely, CRWV consolidates between $137.77 and $150, as overbought indicators and high ATR suggest a pause before the next move. Volatility and momentum assessment. With an ATR of 12.71, CRWV is highly volatile, making it a high-risk, high-reward play. Momentum indicators, RSI, Williams percent RMACD, scream bullishness, but overbought readings warn of a potential pullback. Traders should watch volume closely. A drop could signal fading momentum, while sustained high volume could push CRWV higher. Conclusion. CRWV is in a powerful bullish trend as of June 3, 2025, closing at $150.48 after a massive surge. Support at $120.74 and $104.90 provides a cushion, while resistance at $150 to $160 looms. The ATR range of $137.77 to $163.19 sets the stage for June 4, but overbought indicators like RSI at 79.07 and Williams percent are at -0.45 urge caution. Traders should monitor volume and the $120.74 support for signs of continuation or reversal. Stay tuned for updates and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more market insights.